Dale,
She
hablale.
always arrives too late with the camera. She arrives too late with the camera. Now she's not looking at me. Have you had a good day today? You have a good day today? Hiding away? Mommy's been feeding you good? No, don't even think about sucking your thumb. Don't even think about sucking your thumb. That's what this is for. That's what this is for. Yes, it is. This is so you don't suck your thumb. It gets very red. It gets very red when you do that. Yes, it does. It gets really red. It gets really red. So here, choke on that. Yeah. That's better, huh? I think so. I think so.
Sácaselo.
Huh?
Sácaselo, sácaselo. Hacele que te lo vas a poner y hablale con el, con el chupete, vas a ver. Pásaselo por la boca y hablale.
What do you want, director? Mommy's playing the director.
No, pero así te habla, dale.
No filmaste antes todo eso.
No.
You gonna have dinner with us? You gonna have some good food? Yeah? Some good food? Yeah, good food! Yeah! Good! Good
No le hagas así.
Yeah, Gloria! Good food! Yes! Yummy food! Delicious food! Tasty food! Appetizing food! Basta. Cut!